Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to set Siri's pause time on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Within the General section, locate and tap on Siri. Here, you'll find the option Siri Pause Time. By default, it is set to the standard duration. However, you can select either longer or longest to extend the waiting time for Siri to respond, giving you more flexibility to gather your thoughts or provide more extended commands. Once you have made your choice, that's it. The next time you activate Siri through the side or home button or use the Hey Siri voice command, it will wait longer than usual, even if you don't immediately begin speaking. If you wish to adjust the waiting time again in the future, simply return to the accessibility menu described earlier and choose a different Siri pause time that best suits your preference and needs. With this feature, iOS users can personalize their Siri experience for a smoother and more tailored virtual assistant interaction. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.